This video will be focused on how to set up the Wi-Fi, which allows the tablet to communicate with the sound system. We've got several different options for Wi-Fi on the Behringer, and so you can flip it over to the Ethernet position, and that allows us to connect to Wi-Fi via the router. You want to make sure that that Ethernet cable is nice and snug in there. Or the other option is to use the access point, and then you can lift that antenna, and that allows us to connect directly to the Behringer without the router. As we come over to the tablet, the first thing you need to do is you need to get into the tablet. So you're going to select the AV profile, and that's going to allow you to log in to the tablet. Once it switches over, you're going to use the code to log in 6974. 6974 is the number that gets you into the living room of the casa. It's also the code for the main projector laptop that runs ProPresenter. So 6974 is going to go in on the tablet, and then that's going to take a little bit, but it'll eventually boot up. So now let's start at the start screen, which will normally pop up when you boot up. And you're going to tap on, you're going to go to Wi-Fi first, and you're going to search for available networks. If we're connecting to the router via Ethernet, you're going to select the XR18 Wi-Fi. If it asks for a password, the password is taped onto that router in the sound cart. It's XR18_sound. Then once you're connected to the Wi-Fi, you're going to tap on XAir, and it'll open up the app. You're going to hit search or connect, whichever works, and you're going to tap on the console, and it's going to get booted up and loaded in, and then you're good to go on the tablet. Now, if you're using the direct access point with the Behringer instead of the router for Wi-Fi, you're going to use XR18 5A B585. That's what you're going to connect to with the tablet. And once that goes, you're going to be able to then reconnect on the tablet. You're going to select the console that pops up, and it'll load in, and you'll be able to run sound.